Supervisor, si Gusilio L. Kamungay, Gogon X Elementary School Principal, Mrs. Jocelyn A. Luna, honored guests, dear teachers, loving parents, classmates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to everyone. Today is a very special day for us as we celebrate the first success in our lives. On behalf of the kindergarten class 2023 to 2024, it is with great joy and pride that I welcome you all to this special immaculate occasion, our moving up ceremony. This is Alex Xavier Bravely Salas, once again at the kindergarten class 2023 to 2024. Welcome everyone and do celebrate this day with us.